Hey everyone, I'm back out again today, and I was going along with my AT Pro and I hit a 68 strong, and about, 4 inches in the ground I popped out another button. Cool find. Shank still intact. Alright, on to the next. Hey everyone, I'm back. I was going along and I hit some iron in the hole. I almost didn't dig it because I was hitting a 72 randomly in it also. About 5 inches in the ground. I pulled this piece out. It's a piece of iron with a brass piece in it. I don't know if it's some kind of a lock or goes all the way through it. I ain't never found out like that. So that's a cool relic. I have to trying to figure out what it is. Anybody knows, just leave a comment. Alright, on to the next. I'm back. I hit a 50, 51, and it's a part to a lantern. Common find for cellar holes. Still a relic though. Brass. Alright, on to the next. Hey everyone, I'm back. It's been about 10 minutes since I talked to you last, and I was going along inside this cellar hole with the AT Pro, and a lot of nails, pottery, and stuff like that. But I was hunting for a 80 signal, and this is what I pulled out of the hole. There's a nail. And then there's that piece. Looks like it might be a hand-forged tool of some sort, like a wrench. 2 more nails. This piece of pottery, which is nice. And at the bottom of this hole, I say a good 7 inches. I hit this piece, and I just checked it with a detector, and it was reading up 89 and 90. I imagine because of this hole right here. Blowing my ears out. Some kind of a hook or something. Pretty cool though. It's a relic from this cellar hole. Alright guys, I'll get you back out, find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I changed spots. I'm about 500, 600 yards from where I was at earlier, and I'm going through a thicket right here. There's a humongous rock right there, and an old tree. And I was going along and I hit a 53, 52, and pulled out a buckle about 4 inches, 5 inches in the ground. That's a cool find. Nice horse tack relic. Cool. It's an iron buckle. I've got tons of these, but it's still a relic, so. Alright guys, I'll get you back out and find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I'm moving around and going down next to this rock wall here. And I say about 20 feet off the rock wall, I hit a 61, 60, when I thought it was a button. But I say about 4 inches in the ground, I just picked up Man, look at that. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Still got the tongues on it. That might be, I don't know, either horse tack or I've seen shoe buckles that look like that too. Knee buckles, shoe buckles. I don't know. It's brass. Good find, good find. Alright guys, I'll get you back. I'll find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I dug that buckle right over there. And next to this big tree. And right next to the rock wall. I hit an 83 signal. It wouldn't go off 83. And right up underneath of this root right here, I popped this out. Another buckle. Nice. Yeah, but I don't have ones like these. Cool. Cool relic. Good on display. Alright. Alright guys, I'll get you back out and find something else. Hey everyone, I'm back. I was going along and I hit a 65, 64, 65, wouldn't go off of those two numbers. I thought I had a button again. Got fooled again. Happens to be a little brass knob or something. I don't have a clue what it goes to or what it is. If you have any clues, just leave a comment. I'll dig those numbers all day though. But it's just something, so cool. Alright guys, I'll get you back out and find something else. I'm back. I'm directly right next to the stone wall here. And about, I don't know, 3 inches in the ground I guess. I hit a 76, 75, 76. And it appears to be a handle off of something. It's got a little fancy on it. Probably can't see it with this sun. It's a cool piece. Alright, got a couple more hours. See what we can find. See you then. Hey everyone, I'm back. I rescanned my hole and hit the same dang signal as I did on that piece I just showed you. And I pulled the other piece out. I haven't cleaned this one off too much. And if you can tell, you probably can't tell, there's a little lip on it, like a clasp right up on top right there. So I'm thinking these two pieces right there might go to like a change purse or something. And so I need to recheck this hole real good. See if there's any coins in there. That'd be nice, end of the day. Alright guys, I'll get you back out if I find something else.